Hello everyone, my name is Azzahra Vania Pradiva from Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Today, I will be presenting material on ethical and professional aspects of accounting. Ethical and professional aspects of accounting. The accounting profession carries a significant responsibility to the public, particularly in providing accurate, transparent, and reliable financial information. Since this information is used by various stakeholders, investors, creditors, governments, and the general public for making economic decisions, accountants are required to have not only technical competence but also a high level of moral integrity. Therefore, ethics and professionalism are inseparable from accounting practice. Definition of ethics and professionalism in accounting. A. Professional ethics in accounting. Ethics are moral principles that govern an individual's or group's behavior in social and professional life. In accounting, professional ethics regulate how an accountant should behave and act fairly and properly in carrying out their responsibilities. B. Professionalism. Professionalism reflects a person's dedication to their profession through responsibility, integrity, competence, and adherence to professional standards. A professional accountant does not only work for the client's interest but also considers the broader public interest. Fundamental principles of professional accounting ethics. Professional bodies such as IFAC, International Federation of Accountants, and IAI, Indonesian Institute of Accountants, have outlined 5 fundamental ethical principles. A. Integrity. Accountants must be honest, straightforward, and not engage in or associate with misleading or fraudulent behavior. B. Objectivity. Accountants must remain impartial and avoid bias, conflicts of interest, or undue influence in decision-making. C. Professional competence and due care. Accountants should maintain up-to-date knowledge and skills and act diligently and carefully when carrying out their duties. D. Confidentiality. Accountants must respect the confidentiality of information obtained through professional relationships and should not disclose such information without proper authority, unless legally required. E. Professional behavior. Accountants must comply with laws and regulations and avoid actions that could discredit the profession. The role and benefits of a professional code of ethics. A professional code of ethics serves as a guide for handling ethical dilemmas. Its benefits include enhancing the quality and consistency of professional behavior, providing clear standards for decision-making, protecting the interests of the public and service users, building trust among accountants, clients, and the public. Examples of ethical dilemmas in the accounting profession. Situations where accountants must choose between 2 conflicting moral decisions, such as internal accountants being pressured by management to hide company losses to protect stock value, public accountants discovering tax fraud but being bound by confidentiality rules, auditors detecting fraud but afraid of losing the client if they report it. In these situations, professional accountants must rely on ethical principles and the professional code of conduct to make the right decision. The role of ethics in promoting accountability and transparency. Good ethics promote an organizational culture of accountability and transparency. Accountability means being responsible for one's work outcomes, while transparency refers to openness in the financial reporting process. These can only be achieved if accountants work ethically and professionally.